Today we're tackling a common issue. There was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. Let's get right into it. First, what does the 400 error mean? This is a client-side error that usually indicates that something went wrong with the request to the server. It can happen for various reasons, including connectivity issues or problems with your browsing. Let's explore how to fix it. Step 1 is to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening other websites or apps to confirm your connection is working. If your connection is fine, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve any corrupted data that might be causing the error. Here's how. Open your browser settings. Go to Privacy or History. Look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data and select Cache. Confirm it and restart your browser. Next, let's check your browser's extensions. Sometimes ad blockers or other extensions can interfere with YouTube. Disable them temporarily. Another solution is to ensure your YouTube application or YouTube browser is up to date. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues. If you're still having trouble, try using Incognito or Private Mode. This mode disables extensions and uses default settings. If YouTube works here, the problem likely lies with the extensions or cache. Finally, check if YouTube itself is experiencing issues. You can visit sites like Down Detector to see if others are reporting problems. If it's a widespread issue, all you can do is wait for YouTube to fix it. And that's it. You've learned how to troubleshoot that there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube.